Let's make alkaline Chinese food. Red quinoa, put in your pot. Then you got your classic quinoa, put in your pot. And you always want to use spring water only. Go ahead, pour your some in there. Now we're going to get ready. We're going to bake this thing. We're going to throw it in the oven. Now we got some onions, peppers, shallots, zucchini. We threw in there with it like that. Gonna throw some seed. Got some salt right there. Got some cayenne right there. Then we go ahead, got a little onion powder right there. You know what I'm saying? Put the top on your pot. Put the stove on 350. Go ahead on, put your thing in the stove just like that right there. That's what it's gonna look like when it's done, baby. And then we're gonna go ahead and do our mushrooms now on the side. Slice up you some whole white mushrooms. Just slice them in one half. Slice it in half. Fry them with grapeseed oil. Dip them in wet chickpea dry spelt flour for your crispy. You know what I mean? That's homemade barbecue sweet sauce. Watch me cover these old mushrooms up. Make it look like that old sweet sesame. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, get a good look at it. Look at that rice. Quinoa. I say rice. Go ahead and put that old sweet sesame on top of that. Look at that. Now watch this. Look at that. That look good, though. Follow me for more, man.